So the question is going to read, Nancy invested $6,000 in a bond at a yearly rate of 3%. She earned $450 in interest. How long was the money invested? So we're going to use the formula I equals PRT to find the amount of time the money was invested. Now because we're trying to find out how long the money was invested, we're looking to solve for T in our equation I equals PRT. In order to solve for T, we have to identify what I, the interest is, what P, the principal amount is, and what R, the rate is. So notice it says Nancy invested $6,000. Now that's going to be our principal amount. That's the initial amount she put in. It's then going to say at a yearly rate of 3%. That 3%, that percent is going to be our rate R. It's going to tell us the interest she earned. She earned $450 in interest. That's going to be I. So now we're ready to solve for T. I, 450, equals the principal amount, which is 6,000, times the rate, and once again, be very careful, make sure we're expressing the rate as a decimal, 0.03, times the time, T, which we're trying to solve for. So we're going to solve for T. We're going to multiply 6,000 times 300th, 0.03. When we do that, we're going to be left with 180 T, and then our interest, once again, is 450. Now, in order to solve for T, we have to divide each side by 180. So to get T alone, we're going to do the inverse operation of multiplication and divide each side by 180. When we do that, we are left with 2.5 equals T. Now, T is expressed in years. So what we're saying is 2.5 years, or Nancy would have to invest $6,000 for 2.5 years in order to earn $450 in interest.